Hey everybody, Steve Szara here from Szara Dental Lab. This video is going to be a little bit different because things are changing. And what do I mean by that? Well, I've got some new videos coming up. Some videos that are going to be showing off some products. Demonstrating equipment. I'm going to be demonstrating new materials that I firmly believe in are high quality and are going to help you in your lab business. Whether you're a denture technician or an orthodontic technician, these will firmly help your business grow. I've enjoyed the challenges of making videos, but I do find that they take a lot of time to edit. And doing it weekly has been quite the challenge of trying to, get work done. Because ortho labs, as you know, are pretty much very busy, and it's a daily job that just needs to really grind. I've decided to take my time a little bit more. Instead of just keep pumping out video after video, I decided to make videos that are more meaningful to me, that I think will help you. Less videos, but I'm trying to make better content to help you grow your business. So stay busy, my friends. I appreciate you always. Thank you very much for following me on this journey, and get ready. It's going to be fun. Bugs.